Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Jane and Alex podcast. I'm super excited today because we're diving into an incredibly useful skill-making appointments. It's such a crucial part of our daily lives. Just imagine, without appointments, our schedules would be complete chaos. How would you even get a haircut or see a doctor? It would be like trying to predict the weather in a hurricane. Totally unpredictable, right?
Yeah, I can totally see that. I once walked into a barber shop without an appointment and ended up waiting for like 2 hours. Crazy, right?
Exactly, you just hit the nail on the head. That's why scheduling is important. So, when we talk about making an appointment, we're discussing a time that's arranged to meet someone for a specific reason. It's essential to communicate it politely. For instance, saying, "I'd like to make an appointment, please," is a great start.
So what happens if you forget to make one? Do you just show up? Laughs?
Oh, showing up without an appointment can lead to all kinds of surprises. You might end up waiting, like you mentioned earlier, or worse, they might not see you at all. It's like walking into a sold-out concert. The seats are gone.
Wow, that's a strong visual. It definitely makes you think. So do you have any tips on how to actually remember to make appointments? I feel like I always forget things.
Absolutely. One method is to use a planner or a reminder app on your phone. Super handy. You can also try associating the appointment with something you do regularly, like, "Oh, I make my dentist appointments every time I change my air filter at home."
Oh, that's a fun analogy. Speaking of dentists, what if you need to cancel one? That sounds kind of awkward.
Ah, yes, the dreaded cancellation. It can feel a bit uncomfortable, but it's important to do it politely. You could say something like, "I need to cancel my appointment. Something came up." It's respectful to give a reason, even if it's just a simple, "I'm not feeling well."
Got it. And, is it common to have to reschedule? I feel like I do that all the time. Laughs.
Oh, absolutely. It happens to everyone. Think of it like this. Life is as unpredictable as a cat in a room full of laser pointers. You never know what might happen, so rescheduling is just part of the game. You'd say, "Can we reschedule?" And they'll appreciate your honesty.
That's actually a cool way to think about it. So, are there specific phrases to keep in mind when making these changes? I'm really curious.
Definitely. When you want to make an appointment, you could use phrases like, "Can I book an appointment?" Or, "Is it possible to schedule an appointment?" And if you need to confirm, just say something like, "I'd like to confirm my appointment for tomorrow." It keeps everything clear and professional.
Wow, I love that. One last thing. Is it okay to follow up after making an appointment to check if it's still good?
Yes, without a doubt. I think of it as securing your spot at a hot restaurant. You don't want to show up and find out they overbooked. So calling to confirm is both smart and polite. You can say, "Just calling to confirm my appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m.
Awesome. This is super helpful. So when was the last time you made an appointment for something fun? Was it an experience or just routine? Laughs.
Oh, last week I finally made an appointment for a cooking class I've been dying to take. Who wouldn't want to learn how to whip up a perfect souffle, right?
A cooking class sounds amazing. I'd totally sign up for that. Wait, is there a phrase for signing up for classes like that?
Absolutely. You could use something like, "I'd like to enroll in the cooking class, please." It's all very similar to scheduling appointments for things in life, just geared more towards learning.
Love it. Well, I can't wait to share these tips with everyone. Thanks for all the insights today. Laughs.
My pleasure. Remember to be polite, keep your phrasing handy, and appointments won't feel daunting anymore. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll see you next time on the Jane and Alex podcast.